Hilton Hotel Slussen in Stockholm. You just see the building, but I will check it later. Serial number is 10222067. Quite nice serial number. Basement. Eighth floor. Inspected by Kone, maintained by Kone. Basement. Let's say so. Tuossa 8th floor. Eighth floor. You can go to the left elevator in private service with this button. And, because the right elevator just go to floor 1. Serial number is 10222 and 066, quite nice serial number. Basement. Phone card. This hotel has these two Kone design elevators. One Kone SS 570 service elevator, one generic service elevator, and 4 practice elevators. So these are the best ones in this hotel. Temperature 800 kilograms. Yeah, I will check if there are more, but I think not properly. But I think there are no shelters. And I think 2 crappy shelters will be enough, but I want to film more. Basement. Inspected by Kone, maintained by Kone. Normally I film all open elevators at hotels, but these are just too boring. But these are not boring, but others are better, of course. But practice elevators are boring and generic also. That's